Get to it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I have never seen such a big bee. What is that? Plenty of pollinators, though. But look at this guy. Like, this sounds like a helicopter. What kind of bee is that?
Backyard Central.
I'm just happy I'm getting pollination.
One of these mornings,
I love gardening.
let's grow. One of these mornings,
Almost died today. Check that guy out.
let's grow.
Thought it was a leaf. A twig.
One of these
Didn't
mornings,
see him.
let's grow.
The thing's at least a foot big. At least a foot.
One of these mornings, let's grow.
And a spider. What is going on here? Man. I see a new bug, a new bird, things I didn't even know are in this area. That little guy. And this is why I haven't seen any aphids. These microclimates are crazy. I mean, you create a habitat and these things stay around. Everything. Just ask me if I've seen any hornworms. You guys see them, right? You gotta have pollination plants. I might as well just. Is there a beehive around somewhere? I need to start a beehive. These bees are just loving this lavender. Check out my new friend. How long you stay out of my peaches? Is that a finch? Let's come out here and sit sometimes and just look at all this marvel and this glory. I swear I see praying mantises more than anything. So you gotta have the things that eat the things. That's how you keep all this disease and bugs out of your garden. The thing about praying mantises though, they don't discriminate. They will eat bees as well. But I have not seen any pests outside of these predators in a while. I had a hornworm problem in the beginning, but man, let me tell you, you get a good ecosystem going. What is that? Is that some sort of hoverfly? What? I just be finding things. Oh, look at this guy over here, though. I just noticed another one. Are you the same ones? Are you guys just skipping around? Or do I have like 30? Look how cute he is, though. Cleaning his face. I know this area. There's a praying mantis that claimed this area, but you got spiders. I don't like bugs. I'm not a bug person. I know I'm freaked out one of these days, but I like that I have this ecosystem. upside down? Predators. I don't even know what that is. You even got worms and pill bugs in pots. On top of fake grass. You know how hard that is? Needless to say, when you have a good ecosystem going, I mean, it takes care of itself. You have different types of plants, different types of bugs. You got things that are messing up your plants, but then you have the things that are eating those things. Until you get to those birds. Those birds just mess you up. Leave me a comment below about your garden. Most importantly, guys, get out here one of these mornings and let's grow.